Hello guys, I am coming back. So now you see what the shirt looked like once I attached the sleeves and once I added the bleach. See? Won't that make it look a lot more better? So what I'm doing now, these appliques is not on this part of the top, but what I'm doing is simply cutting them out. And then I'm going to glue them. I was going to do some stones, but I'm like, it'd probably be better to take the appliques, whatever left from the fabric, and just pretty much glue it, cut it, and then I'm going to glue it. So I got them pinned on here now. So just cut it, cut out the little pieces, and then I'm just going to take them and throughout the top, I'm going to glue it. So I'm going to take the E6000 and that's what I'm going to do. And that will finalize this shirt. So I kind of got inspired. So if anybody follow Angel Brinks had a top like this. But I don't do total like copycat. But I'll be honest where I got my inspiration from. Hers was a top made with some shorty shorts or like a leotard. So that's why I got this. Kind of got inspired to do these kind of sleeves. So just something different. You ever have on something and it's different, something you've never seen before? So that's the great thing about designing. So I would say to somebody that probably don't sew a lot, you could take a vest. Go get a vest. And with the vest, you can add the sleeves. So you see that I'm taking the E6000 and putting it on there. And the great thing about it, E6000 is washable. So I would say to everybody, I would never take this top and put it in a wash machine because of the sequins and stuff. It'll ruin it. So these type of tops I will hand wash. But when you use E6000, it is washable. So you can be able to wash it. So that's what I'm going to do. So I wanted to show you guys. I was going to do stones, but I thought it'd be better to do the appliques on the shirt. That'll make the shirt a lot more popping. Kind of remind me a little bit of Gucci Mane wife. She wear a lot of, stuff like this. So I'm going to finish putting the appliques throughout where I feel. I don't know if I'm going to do anything at the bottom. I think I'm going to leave it. So as always, this is what the back look like. And then I'm really not going to put any stones or nothing in the back because my hair be so long you don't see it. So Gina want to say hi. Come here. Stop. What you want to say? Come here. You want to say hi. You click it. Gino said hi. All right. So I'm going to finish gluing. And, the bottom sleeves is soaking in the bleach. So it's the bottom part to this. That part is soaking in the bleach. So it wasn't bleached the way I wanted. You want to say hi? Okay. Say hi. Mara want to say hi. Mara, say hi. Okay. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye. I'm going to ask y'all. Y'all tell me. I got to cut it. Y'all think I should do some at the bottom? I got to cut it, though. I got to cut a piece. And y'all let me know if y'all think. I'm going to cut a little piece. I don't think I should do any at the bottom. I should leave the peplum kind of unique. Don't put any at the bottom. So I'm going to show y'all really quickly. So I had to cut it nicely. But do y'all think some should be at the bottom? I'm not for sure. I'm thinking probably no. But if I do these at the bottom, I'll sew these. Because this is such a big piece. I wouldn't glue it. I'll sew it. What do y'all think? Y'all think a little at the bottom? I think it look cute. I might. Yeah, I think that it looks cute. So, yeah, I might. If this the first video you watching, I got this fabric from Joann Fabric. So if you want to get this fabric from Joann Fabric and get it at a discount, wait till it's 30 to 40% off. And then I purchased 2 yards. I purchased 2 yards. So I'm just getting a lot of the excess off. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I think it looks cute. It does. So yeah, just this part I'll sew. I'm not going to glue. I'll sew this part onto it. I think it looks cute. What do y'all think? So it's different. It's different. I love different. I love different. So let me pin it. And then this I'll take to the sewing machine and sew it. So yeah, I think it's... Yes, I think it's cute. I think it's cute. So as always, thank you guys for watching. You guys have an awesome day. Okay? Bye-bye.